No feedback rows yet. Guess 0 of 10. First I accept the cookie banner, then focus the search field and type a strong opening guess. Inception is a well-known movie with many actors and mid-range year, good for gathering feedback. Waiting for suggestions before selecting. Type card is RED for my guess. Inception a movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year card is red showing 2010 with a down arrow, meaning target is older than 2010 and more than 2 years off. Rating card is yellow 8.8 with down arrow, meaning target rating is within 0.5 but lower than 8.8, so roughly 8.3 to 8.7. No genres highlighted green all gray, no actors or directors overlap. Constraints, target is a TV series, released before 2008-ish, rating around 8.3-8.7, not sharing action/adventure/sci-fi is confirmed overlap, and none of Inception's cast/crew. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card was RED for Inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is red with down arrow older than 2010, rating yellow tilde 8.3-8.7 range, but likely high rated series. Breaking Bad is a TV series 2008, highly rated 9.5 which will test rating direction, and confirms TV medium. Selecting it next to gather TV specific feedback. Type card is green for my guess Breaking Bad TV series, so target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year card is red showing 2008 with a down arrow, meaning target is older than 2008 and more than 2 years off so, before tilde 2006. Rating card is red showing 9.5 with down arrow, meaning target rating is more than 0.5 lower than 9.5 below 9.0. Genre overlap, only comedy is green, crime, drama, thriller or gray not on target. No actor or director overlap. Constraints, TV series, released before 2006, rating under 9.0, is a comedy, no shared cast/crew with Breaking Bad. Avoid repeating Inception and Breaking Bad. Type card was green for Breaking Bad TV series, so target medium equals TV series. Year is red with down arrow older than 2008, likely before tilde 2006. Rating red with down arrow below 9.0. Comedy genre is green. Friends is a TV series 1994, comedy, rating tilde 8.9, fits older and comedy constraints well. Selecting Friends next. Type card is green for Friends TV series, so target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year card is RED showing 1994 with an up arrow, meaning target is newer than 1994 and more than 2 years off so after tilde 1996. Rating card is yellow showing 8.9 with a down arrow, meaning target rating is within 0.5 but lower than 8.9 roughly 8.4 to 8.8. Genre, comedy is green on target, romance is gray not on target. No actor or director overlap. Combined with prior Breaking Bad clue older than 2008, target is a TV series between tilde 1997 and 2006, comedy, rating tilde 8.4-8.8, not romance. Candidates, The Office, Frasier, Seinfeld, Scrubs, Arrested Development, Curb Your Enthusiasm. Avoid Inception, Breaking Bad, Friends. Type card green for Friends, target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year red with up arrow newer than 1994, tour, so after tilde 1996. Combined with prior clue older than 2008, target is tilde 1997-2006. Rating yellow 8.9 down target 8.4-8.8. Comedy green, romance gray. Frasier 1993 is comedy, but starts before 1994 so may not fit newer arrow well. Better pick The Office US, 2005 which fits tilde 1997-2006 comedy, rating tilde 8.9. Choosing The Office instead. The submitted guess was Frasier not The Office. Type card is green for Frasier TV series, so target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year card is RED showing 1993 with an up arrow, meaning target is newer than 1993 and more than 2 years off after tilde 1995. Rating card is yellow showing 8.2 with an up arrow, meaning target rating is within 0.5, but higher than 8.2 roughly 8.3 to 8.7. Genre, comedy is green on target. No actor or director overlap. Combined with prior Friends clue rating lower than 8.9, so 8.4-8.8, target rating is tilde 8.4-8.7. Combined year, after 1995 but older than 2008, so tilde 1996-2006. Comedy TV series. Type green for Frasier, target medium equals TV series. Year red up arrow newer than 1993, after tilde 1995, rating yellow 8.2 up target 8.3-8.7. Comedy green. Combined constraints, TV comedy tilde 1996-2006, rating 8.4-8.7. Arrested Development 2003, tilde 8.7 fits well. Screenshot shows guess field empty and guess disabled, so I click the field, type a distinctive fragment, and wait for the drop-down to select next. The submitted guess was Arrested Development. Type card is green TV series shown in green, so target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year card shows an up arrow target newer than 2003, since Arrested Development is 2003. Rating, comedy genre is green. The poster hint is now available guess 5. Actors Jason Bateman, Michael Cera, Portia de Rossi and directors Troy Miller, Mitchell Howitz show no green highlight not on target. Constraints, TV series, comedy, newer than 2003, but older than 2008 so tilde 2005-2007, rating higher than 8.2, but under 8.9. Strong candidates, The Office 2005, 8.9, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia 2005, 8.8, How I Met Your Mother 2005, 8.3, 30 Rock 2006, 8.2. Avoid Inception, Breaking Bad, Friends, Frasier, Arrested Development. Type card green TV series, target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year card is yellow showing 2003 with up arrow, mean target is newer than 2003, but within 2 years 2004-2005. Rating yellow 8.6 up arrow target 8.7-8.9. Comedy green. So target is a comedy TV series from 2004-2005 with rating tilde 8.7-8.9. The Office US, 2005, tilde 8.9 fits perfectly. Clicking the field, typing Office to bring up the drop-down. The submitted guess was Office Space a movie, 1999, not the TV series The Office. Type card is RED movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year card is RED showing 1999 with up arrow, mean target is newer than 1999 by more than 2 years after tilde 2001. Rating card is RED showing 7.6 with up arrow, mean target rating is more than 0.5 higher than 7.6 above 8.1. Comedy genre is green. No actor or director overlap. Combining all prior clues, target is a TV series, comedy, from tilde 2004-2005 Arrested Development gave newer than 2003 within 2 years, rating tilde 8.7-8.9. Strong candidate, The Office US, 2005, tilde 8.9. Avoid Inception, Breaking Bad, Friends, Frasier, Arrested Development, Office Space. Type card RED for Office Space movie, so target medium equals TV series. Combined constraints, TV comedy, tilde 2004-2005, rating tilde 8.7-8.9. The Office US, 2005 is a top candidate. I click the search field and type The Office to bring up the dropdown, then we'll select and submit. The submitted guess was The Office 2005. Type card is green TV series, so target medium equals TV series. Year card is green showing 2005 with a check mark, meaning target year equals 2005 exactly. Rating card is yellow showing 9 with a down arrow, meaning target rating is within 0.5, but lower than 9 roughly 8.5 to 8.9. Genre, comedy is green on target. Actors Steve Carell, Jenna Fisher, John Krasinski and directors Paul Feig, Rhonda Einhorn show no green highlight not on target. Constraints, TV series, exactly 2005, comedy, rating tilde 8.5-8.9, none of The Office's cast/crew. Candidates, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia 2005, tilde 8.8, How I Met Your Mother 2005, tilde 8.3 too low. Best pick, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Type green TV series, target medium equals TV series. Year green equals 2005 exact. Rating yellow 9 with down arrow, to target rating 8.5-8.9. Comedy green, no Office cast/crew overlap. It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia 2005, tilde 8.8, comedy fits perfectly. Clicking the search field and typing Always Sunny to bring up the dropdown. The submitted guess was It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia 2005. Type card is green TV series, so target medium equals TV series. Year card is green showing 2005 with a check mark, target year equals 2005 exactly. Rating card is yellow showing 8.8 with a down arrow, mean target rating is within 0.5, but lower than 8.8 roughly 8.4 to 8.7. Genre, comedy is green on target. Actors Charlie Day, Glenn Howerton, Rob Mack and directors Matt Jackman, Fred Savage show no green highlight not on target. Constraints, TV series, exactly 2005, comedy, rating tilde 8.4-8.7, not the Always Sunny cast/crew. A hint choice modal appeared reveal actor default. Candidates, How I Met Your Mother 2005, tilde 8.3, Weeds 2005, Prison Break 2005 but not comedy, Rome, Supernatural not comedy. Type green TV series, target medium equals TV series. Year green equals 2005 exact. Rating yellow 8.8 down arrow, so target rating 8.4-8.7. Comedy green, not the Always Sunny cast/crew. How I Met Your Mother 2005, tilde 8.3-8.4, comedy is a strong 2005 comedy fit. Guess 8 of 10 shown, field empty. Clicking field and typing How I Met to open dropdown. The submitted guess was How I Met Your Mother 2005. Type card is green TV series, so target medium equals TV series. Year card is green showing 2005 with checkmark, target year equals 2005 exactly. Rating card is yellow showing 8.3 with an up arrow, mean target rating is within 0.5, but higher than 8.3 roughly 8.4 to 8.8. Genre, comedy is green on target, drama and romance are gray not on target. Actors Josh Radnor, Jason Segel, Kobe Smulders and directors Pamela Fryman, Rob Greenberg show no highlight. The synopsis hint is now revealed. The Minister for Social Affairs is continually harassed by number 10 policy enforcer and dependent on his not-so-reliable team of civil servants. This is clearly The Thick of IT, a British political comedy from 2005, rating tilde 8.7. Type green TV series, target medium equals TV series. Year green equals 2005 exact. Rating yellow 8.3 up arrow, so target rating 8.4-8.8. Comedy green, drama and romance gray not on target. The revealed synopsis about a Minister for Social Affairs harassed by number 10 policy enforcer with unreliable civil servants points to The Thick of It, a 2005 British political satire comedy rated tilde 8.7. This fits all constraints. Clicking the field and typing Thick of It to open the drop-down for selection. Got it. The answer was The Thick of It, that rate a sharp British political comedy from 2005, and I nailed it right at the wire on guess 10. The type card locking in TV series plus the exact 2005 year-end comedy genre narrowed things down, but the real clincher was the revealed synopsis about the Minister for Social Affairs being harassed by number 10 policy enforcer, which pointed straight at the thick of it with its 8.7 rating.